Hello, I'm Robin Leach. Welcome to the Lang's residence, and we will be taking a tour of his home today. And I'll stop the camera so I can get to the door. Okay, forget that accent. Doorbell works. This is our beautiful foyer, and there's the cat. And I'll cut the accent. Here's our wonderful closet. A Mariner's hat there, of course. Here's our living room, I guess. A guest book. I'm sure your name is in there, Aunt Jenny and Uncle Ed. I'll just find it. Well, I'm not going to look through a whole book just for your signatures. No offense, but that's the way it is. There's our window. Some stuff there. Wonderful. We just had a party, well, a small party recently, so that's why the chairs are all around. Recognize this house? That's right, it's from Malta. And here are some other scenes from Malta. The date on this camera doesn't work, so sorry about that. I don't know why, but this is our dining room. This is our outside. See, that's the street, north 27th, no, 26th, whatever. That street. There's a wonderful garden. And down here, we used to have a hot tub, but didn't really heat up, within a week, so we disposed of it. Well, we sold it to this guy, and, well, sucker. Now we'll go back inside. Look out, Pepsi. That's my cat's name, in case you didn't know. Here's the kitchen. Yeah, you lead the way, Pepsi. It's very messy. I thought about cleaning everything up, but that wouldn't be a natural Lang's environment, so this is our kitchen. Here's the foyer. And we'll go downstairs right now. Whoops. This is the executive toilet. I'm not sure you really care about this room anyway. Get rid of the bad rooms first. Laundry room. We've all seen one of these before. Right, Pepsi? Here's the basement. See, we have a ping pong table. And a pool table that you might have caught a glimpse of. Old bikes. Old stuff. We can put the ping pong table on top of the pool table that's here. It's very nice. I'll take the cover off later so you can see it. This is the sunroom. Ow! Okay. The barometer. Sink for like cocktails and stuff. Wonderful couch. Stereo. CD player. And a gas fireplace. The other one that you saw was also gas. There's something from Poland. And those are not. forget that I said that. Sorry if my voice may have got cut off just then, but I don't know what I was saying, but the camera just kind of did something funny. Yep, this is our rec room. Here's the pool table. You can see the rack thing is in there. Here's a television room where I spend many of my days and hours. And oh my, what's this? I'm actually on TV. And they have a weird, like, censorship bar. Would you look at that? Just incredible. Now I think I'll go upstairs. These are closets. Nothing of importance. Now we are descending upstairs. Going upstairs. Nice carpet, isn't it? Here's the guest room, in case any of you all want, from Bainbridge, want to come down and visit. This is your little place. This is the thing that makes the house become warm and cool. Here's my parents' room. Nice bed, huh? Little TV. Some stuff. And here's their new remodeled bathroom, which is pretty nice. Nice and bright. Alright. This is the toilet. The seat is down, ladies and gentlemen. Here's a nice bathroom. Nice tile work, isn't it? Okay. We keep towels and things in here. How convenient. Here's our really sucky dot matrix printer, and here's a newly upgraded computer, which I have to call the guys because they didn't really like do anything to it, you know. Encyclopedias. This is Howard's workplace. He's got his little radio there, and his closet, which he keeps junk in there. Here's the telephone. Does it sound any different from in Bainbridge? I don't know. This is my room. It's very horrible. Toilet seat up. Soda cans. Beer cans in the trash can. The mirror works. Okay. Here's my things. Look, you can change it. Whee! Here's a nice Super Bowl poster. Guess what room we're really going into? Whoa, what room is this? It's my room. There's Griffey, of course. Yes, that's what our flag looks like in Virginia. I have lots of Mariners stuff in this room, so. That is a Chinese street sign. I think it says, no parking on this street at any time, I think. Yes, a Pepsi sign. No parking. Do the street signs look different? That isn't my house sign. I borrowed it from somewhere. Okay. There's Randy. Gotta love these guys. Guess what this flag is? Good. Here's my bed, and this is the time. Okay. Here's my desk. And my baseball poster. And clock. And stuff. My file drawers. Soda can. Beer can. Here's my bag. It's nothing really important, but I just think it's cool to show everyone my patches and stuff. See? Yes, really nice. Here's outside the driveway, which I filmed from the beginning of this segment. Warhammer game. Can't explain it to you right now. This box is only Mariners, and it's like completely full. This binder is only Mariners, and it's not full at all. This is good players, and you don't really care, but that's okay. A baseball with all the Mariners signatures in it. And this is a Griffey ball. My stereo. Just making sure it works. My CD case. And some trophies and stuff. Whoa, a Sonics poster. There's the old hat, in case you forgot what it looks like. Here's the... this hat's kind of messed up. Some beer cans. Some computer games. Some books. And stuff. And here's the newest addition to my house. Well, we'll film this first. More Mariner stuff. I stole this from your car, Aunt Jenny. I'm sorry. And there's another Mariners thing, and there's Griffey. My wonderful fish. They're very happy. My pennants. Skeleton on a rope. This is my stuff. Isn't this great? Hey look, Wheaties with Griffey on it. I'll take you up to the attic. Whoa. Okay. The ceilings are very low here. There's the front door. Some boxes, some suitcases, some stuff. You don't really care about this room, do you? Do you recognize that? That's from the ceiling in Poland, in this church or something. Where the guy couldn't talk. See, look at this. You could seriously hit your head here. Where's the light? Here it is. My cat hears everything. Broken. My arm's hurting right now, so... That's a tour of the house, and I believe I've got every room. So I'm looking forward to seeing you next summer.